How to copy text from emails on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to copy any text from any emails that has been taken from your Samsung Galaxy phone, then here is how you can do this process. But before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to copy text from emails, you just need to open up the gallery application, and I already taken a screenshot, so you just need to open up the picture or the image that you want to copy the text for. And from here, once you open up the picture, you'll get to see the text icon at the bottom right. You just need to tap on this, and this will start highlighting all the text that you have with the image. So now to copy any text from here, you just need to press and hold any area like this, and once you do that, this is going to give you the option to select the text, so you can actually drag it to the position where exactly you want the text from, and you can actually go ahead and tap on copy, and the text will be copied. Now you can easily paste this text to anywhere you want, and this is how you can copy text from an email on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.